an exciting expedition to Marlow Zoo. As you can see, some people were more excited than others. First stop was the Education Centre, where we found out about how important it is to look after our planet. We met some amazing animals, including a hissing cockroach, which had some children cowering in the corner. We also met a poison and learnt that a snake uses its tongue to smell. Just look at Reuben having a go too. Once out in the park, we saw some of our favourite animals, such as this wallaby snuggling her baby, and a hungry giraffe. Oh look, it's feeding time at the zoo. We have been looking forward to meeting Ralph the penguin, who unfortunately lost all his feathers at once. Leaving him bald, he had to have a special wetsuit made to protect him until his new feathers grew back. How cute! Well, it seems to be too much for these girls. We've had a fantastic day. Now over to Caroline.